BabyBus.
Hi! Click here to subscribe.
Use the restroom by myself.
Wow! A costume party! How fun! Rudolph looks anxious. Where is he going?
I can't hold it any longer. Oh, which door should I go to? This must be the restroom designed for penguins. Rudolph, why are you coming out of the girls' restroom? Isn't that a penguin's restroom?
Look, Rudolph, girls wear skirts, so this is the girls' restroom. Boys wear pants, so this is the boys' restroom.
Oh, no! What's wrong, Rudolph? I had an accident. I peed my pants. Rudolph, if you have to go to the bathroom, don't hold it in. It was too late. Why don't you go home and change your pants? Sure. Rudolph, come eat something yummy with us. Okay. Sorry, I wanna... Rudolph, if you have to go to the bathroom, don't hold it in. I really wanna go!
Go, you'd better hurry up.
Okay. What are you doing? I want a snack. Poop stinks. How can you eat in the bathroom? Then I want a toy with me. Pooping is so boring. Listen, Rudolph, you have to concentrate while pooping. Concentrate. Huh? Kiki and Mew Mew, why don't we ask Dudu for help? Yes, he could give us some help.
Wow.
BabyBus, toot toot toot, little magic shine shine shine.
Dang, 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 here I am.
Hello, Dudu.
I don't see Rudolph. Where is he? He's in the restroom.
And he brought toys and snacks.
How bizarre.
That is why we are asking for your help. What's wrong, Rudolph? I couldn't poop.
You weren't able to poop because you were distracted by the toys and the snacks you brought with you.
What should I do then?
I got it. How about I teach you a song about going to the restroom? It's called Use the Restroom by Myself.
Starting today, I am gonna be a pro. Mommy and Daddy don't need to help me go. BabyBus told me not to go by myself. I have to use the toilet. I cannot hold one on the toilet. I don't bring my food, but on the toilet. Don't waste paper, but on the toilet. I don't play with toys. When I am finished, I flush it down.
I'm done.
Kids, keep these good habits in mind.
Don't eat and play with toys while in the restroom. And save toilet paper. More importantly, remember to flush and wash your hands after you're done.
Are you okay?
Miss Maymay, my stomach doesn't feel very good.
Do you need to go to the restroom?
Yes.
You can go right now.
But I want to keep playing on the slide.
You'll feel worse if you don't go to the restroom now. How about going to the restroom first and then enjoying the slide again?
Go to the restroom? Maybe I want to go too.
All right, let's all go together. Guys, please be careful when you go to the restroom. 5 little crocodiles feel so bloated, so they all go to the restroom. The teacher says, stand in line and wait your turn. Always be careful and stay safe. 4 little crocodiles feel so bloated, so they all go to the restroom. The teacher says, see witches, girls and boys. Always be careful and stay safe. 3 little crocodiles feel so bloated, so they all go to the restroom. The teacher says, make sure to close the door. Always be careful and stay safe. Who hasn't closed the door yet?
Oh, it's me!
2 little crocodiles feel so bloated, so they all go to the restroom. The teacher says, wash your hands and dry them well. Always be careful and stay safe. A little crocodile feels so bloated, so he goes to the restroom now. The teacher says, watch out for the wet floor. Always be careful and stay safe. 5 little crocodiles come back now. They all feel so fresh and clean. The teacher says, who did not flush the toilet? Go now and say goodbye to your poo. Go say goodbye to your poo. Kids, be careful when you go to the restroom. After using the toilet, remember to flush and wash your hands.
We got it!
I'm so tired. I need some rest.
And I'm so hungry. When will this kid start eating?
Oh, so am I. I want some food. I don't have any candy left. Great!
He starts
eating. The scary germs we are.
We love to eat candy.
1, 2, 3, 4 candies. Let's eat all of them.
The scary germs we are. We love to eat sweet cakes.
1, 2, 3, 4 bites. Let's eat all of them. The scary germs we are. We love to drink sweet juice. 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. Let's drink all of them.
The scary germs we are scared of toothbrushes.
Here comes a big toothbrush. Let's run away.
The scary germs we are scared of toothbrushes.
Bubbles are everywhere. Let's run away.
Kiki and Mimi are here now. It's done. Now I'm gonna play with Kiki and Mew Mew. Oh! Ah! Watch out! Are you okay? It hurts. Don't run while you brush your teeth. It can be very dangerous. I understand.
Mimi, I'll teach you a song about brushing teeth. You can learn some safety tips for brushing teeth from this song. Let's sing!
Yeah, 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 let's brush our teeth. Yeah, 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 let's brush our teeth.
Brush your teeth in the morning. Yes. Brush your teeth at night. Okay.
Time to brush your teeth.
I am ready.
Let's brush our teeth together. Yeah, 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 let's brush our teeth. Yeah, 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 let's brush our teeth.
Brush your teeth up and down. Yes. Brush your teeth left and right. Okay.
Holding your toothbrush.
You don't want to run. Let's brush our teeth together.
Yeah, yeah, let's brush our teeth.
Brush, 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 brush.
Spit out toothpaste bubbles.
Yes. Rinse your mouth with water.
Please don't forget.
Do it every day. Let's brush our teeth together. My teeth are clean now. Yeah.
Kids,
Always be careful when you brush your teeth.
wow, it smells great.
And looks delicious too.
Let's start to eat.
Oh, I can't wait.
This soup is good.
Too hot, too hot.
Hank, drink some cold water. Hank, you should be careful at the table. What should we be careful about? You should be careful at the table. If you don't, you could get hurt. When you eat some hot soup, blow on it first. And don't sip it while it's too hot. Wait, please. Wait, please. Blow on it and then try some. When you eat some hot soup, please cool it down first. Be careful at the table.
When you're at the table,
Please be careful. The food could get stuck in your throat.
enjoy your food. Nice and slow.
Slowly, slowly, and don't go. Don't be fast.
Take your time.
Take your time with your food, please. When you eat something, enjoy it slowly. Be careful at the table. You should cool down the hot soup first and eat your food nice and slow.
What else should we be careful about?
You should be careful at the table. If you don't, you could get hurt. Don't run all around. Sit up straight and watch out for your sharp fork. Please don't run. Please don't run. You should watch out for your sharp fork. Hold your bowl with your hand and sit up straight. Be careful at the table. Kids, always be careful at the table so that you won't get hurt.
Stop picky eating.
Everyone, it's time to eat. Let's call Kiki and the other friends over. Kiki, Rudolph, Momo, let's eat. Let's eat. Yum.
What have we got here?
Corn with carrots, potatoes with bell peppers, tomatoes with eggs, milk, fried fish, and rice.
And some super fresh fruits that I picked this morning.
Wow, everything looks so yummy. A little white bunny with long pointed ears, loving carrots and vegetables. Hippity hop, small and
I hate carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes.
Rudolph, picky eating habits aren't good for you.
I only want some fried fish.
This tomato's really good, Rudolph.
He's right, Rudolph. Listen to me. Rudolph's a picky eater. What should we do?
Let's get some help from Doo-Doo. BabyBus, toot, toot, toot. Little magic, shine, shine, shine. Hello. Ta-da-da, I'm here. Wow, what a lot of food. Yes, we have corn with carrots, potatoes with bell peppers, tomatoes with eggs, apples, grapes, and rice.
But Rudolph doesn't like to eat carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes.
Well, that's because we have no carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes.
Huh? These aren't carrots, are they?
Well, actually, they're sugar-coated Haws from the moon.
Sugar-coated Haws from the moon?
Yeah, they came all the way down from the moon to the earth.
Sugar-coated Haws from the moon? I want to try some. Wow, it's so sweet.
Rudolph, you ate it!
And this? They're stars from the sky.
Huh? Why do they look like that?
Because they got fat, and then they fell down to the earth.
Whoa, a fat star. Whoa, it's so yummy.
Rudolph, you ate it!
Do you want to try this one too?
Oh, what are they?
These are the tears from the sun.
Tears? The sun's crying? Why?
Because the temperature's too high and no one wants to play with him.
Let's eat all the sad tears of the sun.
Okay, then he won't be sad anymore.
Rudolph, you ate it!
I'm not a picky eater anymore!
We're all not picky eaters!
Kids, picky eating is really bad. Every kind of food is a gift from Mother Nature. If you stop being a picky eater, you'll be healthier.